So the reason why this graduation is significant for the apprentices and the employers is that it just really symbolizes a culmination of commitment and dedication. I think that this 2022 graduation is a really special one.
Yeah, journey level credential means a lot to me. I always wanted to get into trade work. I just never really thought it was like in the realm of possibilities for me until I started the apprenticeship, and it opened up a lot of doors for me. The celebration today is awesome. I mean, just being here, it's a pretty cool place, and it means a lot to me to have a lot of my family here, my bosses here. It's good to be able to graduate and just celebrate with everybody around me.
At Select Plastics, we make a big deal out of the apprenticeship because we want our whole crew to understand that it's an opportunity for the individual to not just make more money, but also really to learn more, to become more valuable for the company. And so coming to this graduation is really kind of the pivotal point to their career.
I think it's great that there's a celebration going on for all the apprentices. You know, it's a big accomplishment. That 2,000 hours is a lot of time that you put in. So I would say just celebrating that is huge, and it's a very big accomplishment. And it took a long time for me to do it, working in between summers and stuff, going to school. But I'm going on to be an industrial engineer. So I think it gave me a great understanding and perspective on the industry that I'm going to be working in.
I love the celebration. I mean, AJAC does just a fantastic job to really show all the apprentices, hey, you guys have achieved a tremendous thing. My words of wisdom, I would say, are that I want you to become a mentor. I want you to carry on the torch. So what you learn, make it so that you can pass it on and really grow the community of apprentices. And so, employers and apprentices, graduates, new apprentices, parents of the apprentices, let's all, promote apprenticeships as an education module.
Anything additional I'd like to share is I just want people to have a good time. It is a celebration. These apprentices should be proud. The employer should be proud. The family should be proud. So I just want them to be able to understand that we are recognizing their accomplishments tonight. But I really do hope the apprentices take time to realize what an accomplishment this is.